Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa sallam. This is a quick demo of how to use corpus.quran.com. You will see the link in the video description. We will also show you Quran Hive and Tafsir Sa'di, where we are using it from. So you just go to corpus.quran.com. You will see this menu on the left. If you go on word by word, so this is what we are using for our studies. For example, if we go to our Surah Al-Kahf, right here, you can choose a verse from here if you want to jump to a particular verse. Let's see if we just keep it like that. You can click on go, it will display it. And as we have discussed, that it color codes it. So it uses N for noun, it shows P for preposition, and then it also describes, right? So it's a preposition, proper noun, PN, and relative pronoun, alladhi, anzala is a verb. It also tells you other details about the verb. As you learn more grammar, you'll be able to understand that. So as we said, our grammar is going to be pretty basic to begin with, and then we'll introduce some advanced concepts. I think the basic grammar is good enough for the target or the goal of understanding the Quran in Arabic language. As an example, right, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Alhamdulillah alladhi anzala ala abdihi al-kitaba. Okay. Now, if you understand al-kitaba here is referring to the book that will, or Quran, that's good enough understanding. However, as we advance, especially if you want to memorize the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, knowing that here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses kitaba, verses in Surah Al-Baqarah where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ. So it's a dhamma there and it's a fatha here. Why is that? Will help you with your memorization. That will be our advanced grammar stuff. But this tool, corpus.quran.com, pretty much gives you pretty good vocabulary about that. Now here, for example, if you click on alladhi, right, so it's clickable, it will give you some details about it. If you keep going down and you click on Concordance, which gives you the list of occurrences of this word, you see that this word is used in Quran for 1,442 times. Okay, so you kind of get all the places this is coming in, chapter 2, verse number 47, 259, and so on and so forth, right? So you can utilize that as you're memorizing and working on vocabulary. Okay, so that's one feature of it. There's another feature of it. I don't think you should go this route, personally speaking, but that's your choice. So if you go on Quran dictionary, then you can go on lists. So you can go on word concordance, right? And it is sorted with the frequency. So for example, the word built with qawl, qaf, wa, lam, qala, appears in 1,618 times in Quran, which means to say. So you can focus on these words or verbs that are most commonly occurring, and then you can keep going down this list. So that's one option if you want to focus and learn based on the verbs or the verb list. And then if you click on it here, it will show you all these places and different forms that it has come. Another thing that Quran Dictionary also gives you is that you can, instead of going the verb route, you can go everything. So what this does is gives you this, okay, the most commonly used word is a preposition min, and that comes 3,226 times. Okay, then the love jalala, or the word Allah subhanahu, word for Allah, that comes to 226, almost 2,700 times, right, as a proper noun, and so on and so forth. So that's another way of doing it. So it's sorted with frequency. So these are the two things about corpus.quran.com. Another tool we use is Quran Hive. It's pretty cool. You can just go to quranhive.com. It also has an app. This gives you, I think if you click on it, it will actually read the word as well. Let's see if you can hear that. So you can just hear the words. If you want to practice your recitation, you can also use that. It gives you the root letter and it gives you the meaning right here. It's a pretty good tool as well. If you click on learn, it will give you other translation. It will also give you some tafsir as well. So that could be utilized as well. Okay, pretty good tool. If you want audio tafsir, then you can just click on play. We'll give you an audio tafsir from a series. Okay. So I think this is what I wanted to show you from these two tools, and I'll do some other videos for overall learning and objectives. So until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.